Hey guys, I'm Rohit Raj and you're watching Rho Trades live YouTube channel. So this video is a very useful video for you guys. First of all, I want to say this because you need to watch this video till the end, because a lot of people out there are asking me about strategies, asking me about calls and stuff like that, but I still don't believe that people can work out well with calls and stuff. You need to work out on your own to make some profits, right? So in the market, so that's why I'm going to be helping you in this video, and I'm going to be helping you with a live trading example of what I did exactly today in this kind of price action and in this kind of market condition. Okay, so yeah, this is the chart you're watching right now. This is 5 minutes time frame. The chart is of the 20th of June. Market opened. Before knowing about the market open, you need to know about the Friday's price action and Thursday's price action. The expiry was terrific. The market was bleeding like something, 2% down, and it was consolidating from Friday. And today we have a US market holiday, so we almost are looking for a consolidating market today also. So tomorrow may be a gap up or gap down. We will never know about it. But what the analysis says for us is very simple. I opened the market. Go for a 1 hour time frame today. We get this weekly CPR, new weekly CPR every single week, right? So I opened the market, waited till 10:15 for the first candle to close. It was a red candle, so that's it. My view is there. So red candle is well below the CPR, and the CPR is narrow, and we are directly going to sell the first resistance. That's it. So what I did today is very simple. We sold the call options wherever you can see, low risk call option 1000 points away from the spot price. So that's what we did. So weekly analysis, I see the market is going to be selling, and also the overall global sentiment is also selling. So I think I'll be in the short side. So what's the target for the short side? You can see the market opened below CPR, and we have an narrow CPR, and the market is obviously going to hit the green line, which is a support or the pivot point. So this is the basic view we had. So based on this view, what you can do in intraday. This is the intraday time frame. The market opened. We had a white CPR in intraday because of the movements, previous day movements. We had a white CPR, and the market was trading inside the CPR. And also, we know, the matter of fact, we had a US market holiday today, so the market has a less probability to move somewhere out from here. So my idea was initially to go for this pivot point spot price, CPR spot price 32,700 CNPE. I did a straddle in the morning itself. So yeah, this is the first trade that I did. So first trade in like 30 minutes, I got a profit of 4,000 rupees in this straddle. So it was a bonus for me, because on Monday I always used to trade only after 10:15, right? So this was a bonus for me to manage charges and manage some stop losses or something like that. So next trade comes a scalping trade, because the market was raising. I just entered and closed it 2 points for this 1,000 rupees profit. That's it. So the next trade is a real good trade that I would say for today. I sold 33,700 call option with the hedge, of course. So what is the idea behind it? The market was raising, so at this point I was selling call option, and I booked some profits here. I showed you that 1,000 rupees profit, right? That was in this movement, and I knew, for a matter of fact, in 5 minutes time frame, this is going to be another swing high, and the swing high is almost in this chart, I think. Once again. Yeah, in this chart I was watching the market. So this was a swing high. We had a 200 period moving average at the high. So market went up and had a resistance at the 200 period moving average, and then it was coming down. So it is coming down because that is the best place for you to sell, because you know that the whole week is going to be short because of the weekly analysis you did on the CPR charts. So you're looking opportunities to sell. So this is a very good opportunity for me to sell, respecting the 200 period moving average. So how will I exit this trade when it goes wrong? Because I respected 200 period moving average as a resistance to take an entry. So I will again respect the 200 moving average. If the market breaks out like two green candles from here, I'll probably exit the particular trade. So this is my basic idea, right? So from this point I was staying short, and I know it will touch the intraday's support again. Yeah, I sold it here, right? I sold it here, and I know, the matter of fact, is going to very easily come to the intraday support, and that's the target. So what I did is very simple. I sold it almost like almost 60 per premium, and I booked part profits here and there. I booked like first 200 quantities. So total quantities I added here is 600 quantities. So first 20 points I booked a profit, another 5 points I booked a profit, and another, finally I booked a profit at almost 29 points. I finally booked the profits at 29.66. So this is the intraday profit. I could have run it, because considering the time, it's almost going to be like 3 o'clock right now. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock right now. So considering not to take any big fluctuations from here, the profit bookings, the short covering, whatever, because the US market is not open today. So anything that happens is going to be like operator stuff, like it's going to be manipulation. So that's why I don't want to take any chance with this particular trade right here. So anyway, the market is going to be short according to my analysis of this weekly time frame. Your strike price you can choose is going to be 33,700 call option, which will obviously go to 0. That's my part. So whatever premium you're going to sell, considering the premium is so less, your stop loss can be 3 times the premium. That's what I will suggest. So without stop loss, you cannot enter any market because of this uncertain circumstances that we are facing because of the market crash, the inflation, the recessions, the every crazy talks going around with the market, right? So as of now, I'll be trying to sell every single race. That's it. So I will exit it when the stop loss hits up to like 2 times of my premium. So that's my entry and exit conditions. Very simple. Thank you. That's my very simple entry and exit condition. So we are witnessing another consolidating day today. So tomorrow the market may take any chances of moving up or down. We'll never know. But as of now, we are witnessing the price is not moving anywhere for the last 2 trading sessions. It is consolidating, like very well consolidated. So yeah, the market is looking for a breakout or breakdown from here. So as of now, I'm going to be staying short, and we should also look for the double bottom patterns if something happens with very good volume, considering the RSI is also in the overbought zone and we have some kind of divergence here and there. So if there is some double bottom, we will have a possible reversal which will have a bigger pullback, and that's also going to be a short covering only because we are into the bear market, I guess. So if there is any pullback, very strong pullback tomorrow, or when the market opens gap up, we have to look for opportunities to sell only when you see a selling opportunity with a good volume. So that's it. So that's it I want to say. We almost make a very good profit of 19,000 today. So it's a very clear profit, no rush, no nothing. I just made very little orders for today. So 90,000 is a very good profit. I'm not going to carry forward any positions. If I see this 39 go to like 45 or 50, or I think I'll be adding some positions for the overnight decay as well. So that's what I'm looking forward. So considering other accounts that I trade also, yeah, these are the other accounts that I trade. So one of my clients' account. So we made a very good profits in this account also, like 12,000 today and 19,000 today. And this is a small account which I have in my personal Zerodha account. This is a small account like with 2.5 lakhs. I look forward to buy stocks here whenever there is a dip. So this is another small account which I use for trading BTSTs with stocks, equity, and as well for a positional trades in Bank Nifty to make some money out of it. So this is another account. So yeah, almost every single account that I am trading right now is in profits. Any small account or big account doesn't matter. I'm short and it's going on well. Considering the risk factor about if there is a gap down or gap up, I close the positions in all the big accounts that I have, and I'm running small accounts for tomorrow. So that's it for today. That's the idea of the market. So take care, trade with caution. The market is in bear territory, so you always need to be taking care. Don't take it for granted. Don't take the market for granted because it's bear territory. Don't go for aggressive put buying and all, or options, I mean future selling and all. Don't be so aggressive. So whenever there is something very obvious, there is going to be something opposite also. So maybe if you know that the market is going to go down, and that's the fact because of the recession and crash fears, they may suddenly come a short covering. They may suddenly go with buying. The FIIs may buy suddenly. We will never know. So in this kind of market circumstances, in these scenarios, you should obviously go with a stop loss. Without stop loss, you cannot enter any single trade in this kind of circumstances. If the market is stable, if it's going to be the wicks are low, if the market is stable, you can obviously go without stop loss with your manual things on manual analysis and trading. But considering the spikes high and low, we should always have a stop loss, and you should enter with a risk defined strategy. Without defining your risk, don't enter any trades at all. That will be my point of view for this market for you. This I think this will be a very good takeaway for you. So if you follow this video, if you follow my every single day's video, you will, of course, you will very obviously get what will happen in the market tomorrow, and you will get a very clear picture, rather than following like tons of YouTube channels who are obviously looking forward to fear you. If you see the thumbnail itself, it will be like, oh my god, wow, headache. No, don't fear about the market. If you have a clear view and strategy, there is nothing to fear about. It will happen. The technicals will follow itself. So I even told you like, I'm not taking too long. I'm going to end the video right now. So I even told you the market is having open CPR, and the spot price of 32,700 is a very good spot price. So the market is trading for the last 6 hours, and you see the market is still at the point of CPR, the pivot point, the central pivot range itself. So that's how you should analyze the market. The market is still at 32,600 to 700 range. So that's it. So don't need to fear at all. Identify the market structure, plan your views, and execute your trade, and it will happen with proper stop loss, of course. With risk defined strategies and proper stop loss, you can make good profits. Without proper stop loss and risk management, you cannot make profits. So yeah, that's it I want to say. So see you in the next video tomorrow. I thought this is a very good trade because I was peaceful for the whole day, and I thought I should make a video even in the market hard itself. The market is not closed yet. The market is almost looking to close inside the CPR only. So nothing to worry about. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it maximum to the friends who are involved in the share market, so that they'll get the view, and without any fear you can trade or invest or something like that. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.